Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video we have the OPI Spring 2024 collection. If I have a link to where these are available online, I'm going to put it in the description. As of right now, I don't have it yet. So we have 12 polishes, and I'm wearing the solid colors here because I wanted to show you guys this topper, but we'll talk about it in a second. So let's get into it. First up, we have Material Girl, and the spelling is funny. This one for me was a very good formula. Is a one coater at my current nail length, but if you do it very thin, you might need two, but it's very easy to work with, very good. If you like the color, you're not gonna have any issue at all with it. Of course, you know, browns never really scream spring to me, but whatever, as a standalone color is very good. Next up we have Spice Up Your Life, and this one is the same situation as the previous one. I found it to be a very good formula. I have nothing really to say, so I'm just gonna let the swatch and videos play out, but yeah, it's just a very good solid neutral. Up next we have Glitter, and this one, that's literally the name but it's spelled funny. I'll put it here in the corner. This one's a topper, but you can also wear it by itself. It looks very pretty at 1, 2, or 3 coats. It's not streaky at all. It's very easy to work with. No complaints whatsoever about this one, and I'm going to be showing it to you over black and over other colors. You know, if you like these types of specialty toppers, this will be a good one. Quality is good. Up next we have Glitter. There's no way I can say Glitterly Shimmer. This is another topper. One coat is good. You're not really gonna build opacity. With the orange, you kind of can build opacity-ish, you know, at 3 coats, but this one you cannot. So I didn't even attempt to do that. Just treat it as a topper. If you like this kind of stuff, I'm gonna be showing it to you over black and over other colors. But yeah, just nothing else to say. Formula's good, just a topper. Up next we have Butterfly, and this one's your typical pastel yellow. I'm wearing it here on both thumbs at 2 coats. This one has a topper that I'll show you in a minute, but my current nail length is very short, but if you have longer nails, you're gonna need 3 for sure. Even for some people, you might need 3. I don't know. It's your typical pastel yellow. It's not a great formula. It's also not the worst one I've ever worked with, and it's pretty. It has like a little shimmer, which is not too obvious on the nail, but you do see it, okay? So it's like, if you like the color, it's fine, you can make it work, but just keep in mind, you know, typical yellow. Up next we have Apricot AF, and this one, I do want to let you know that my experience could be tainted by the fact that my brush came in all messed up. By this point, I've already fixed it. Like, the bristles were like all the way up here. So anyways, other than that, I think it's a normal formula. It's a 2-coater. It's not really the greatest, but it's not the worst. So I don't know, keep in mind that my brush could have added to the experience. I think it's a very, very pretty color, but yeah, formula's normal. It's whatever, you know. Up next we have Without a Pout. This is a very, very pretty pink. It's a good formula, 1 to 2 coats. At my current nail length, I don't foresee any issues for longer nails either. Excuse Milo in the background. His dog collar makes like this little sound, but anyways, not much else to say, just beautiful pink. If you don't own something like this and you want to grab it, you'll be fine. This is the topper that I'm wearing on my left hand. It kind of gives you that chrome powder look without having to deal with powders, and I can tell you right now, without a doubt, this is my favorite from the collection. I think it's unique. At least I don't want anything like it that actually looks like chrome powder on the nails. And for regular polish, that's amazing, because I don't really like how chrome powders look on regular polish. It looks kind of like weird, and it's a mess to deal with. But anyways, you can wear this one by itself at 1 coat. You can wear it at 2, build that up, put it on top of other things, whatever you want. I think it's fantastic. I think this is a winner here. I actually am thinking of getting a backup. You can see the little effect that it does on the yellow. I think it's gorgeous. It does it also on all the other ones, as you can see. Okay. Is very, very pretty, and over this green is especially gorgeous. So up next we have Snatched Silver. This is a topper, good formula. I really have nothing else to say about it. I'm going to be showing it to you over black and by itself and on top of other colors. But yeah, if you like toppers, this is a pretty one. It has a nice purpley bluey kind of shift, but that's it. This next polish is very similar to the orange in the sense of how you can wear them. You can wear it by itself. It actually builds up. You can build it up in 1, 2, or 3 coats. It's not streaky in any number of coats, and also works as a topper. Other than that, I have nothing else to say about it. It has a good formula. That's it. If you like toppers and colors that you can build up like this one's a nice one. Up next, we have Verified, and this one is a 2-quarter for me at my current nail length. I have nothing to say other than it's a normal, regular two-coater. If you like the color, here it is. That's it. Up next, we have Self-Made. This one I think is another memorable color from the collection. At least to me, is a unique shade of green. I really love this one. Here are my pinkies. You can see it with the topper and without. And it was a solid two-coater. Not much else to say about it. It's a good one. So if you like this color, you can go for it. Alright, so here are my top picks. And maybe you're surprised to see the browns or caramel colors here. I'm not a seasonal wearer, so I don't really care that these have a fall vibe to them. As far as standalone polishes, for me, I really like them. Their tone, the color that they have kind of like matches me. I liked it. And then this one, I told you, I think I need a backup. This is something very good that I think I'm going to use a lot. And then this green, I just love it. Green is my favorite color, and I think it has a very nice shade of green for spring or really any time. Like I said, I don't really like wear polishes by season. All right, so if we look at the collection like this, side by side, kind of like to see the color palette, I think it's very pretty and I think it's cohesive, okay? I like it. I haven't been crazy about OPI's last two spring collections actually, but this one I really like. Toppers and all. I wish it didn't have 4 toppers, but I understand people, you know, love them. So if you like toppers, you're gonna be happy, and if you don't, it's money saving. So just pick whichever one topper you like the most, which this I think is the best one of them all. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments and drop your comparison requests below, and I will serve them as either shorts or standalone video. Overall, I'm happy I bought it. I'm probably not gonna use the toppers, but everything else I will. Thank you guys for coming, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.